The local market for leather sandal footwear is expanding. New on the scene, Dvani Sandals. Here's Cody and Barrett with this week's edition of the Business Review.
Dvani Sandals is promising comfort, functionality and durability to women looking for unique leather footwear. Predominantly online-based, customers can receive a customized handmade sandal done to order. Behind these masterpieces is Dwight.
One day I was reading the Gleaner and I saw an ad by the JBDC saying that they're offering a course in leather crafting. So I decided to attend that course. And on attending and completion of that course, they teach you how to use leather, how they specialized in the making of lavish leather sandals.
But this destination was nowhere on his map of life. With no clear direction in mind, he gave the course a try. When he was finished, he got an internship at a prominent leather sandal company. Mr. Bent spent over 6 years perfecting the craft and gaining additional skills before he decided to venture out on his own.
There was room for improvement. I wanted to do more. And the only way I could do that is to go out on my own because I was doing task work. And you know, with task work, you're assigned tasks and you're only allowed to do the tasks that you're assigned. So then other thoughts would be coming up in your head and you wish you could do other things. And in order to do other things, you have to do it yourself.
The first few years of Dvani Styles was inconsistent, but with savings, Mr. Bent slowly invested in equipment and material. Things got more serious in 2020.
For me, the pandemic was a situation that put me in my shop, spend more time in my shop, to master my craft. Because what really happened was Dvani Styles is something that I love dearly, and I'm not definitely doing it for the money. It's for the love. And when you love and are passionate about something, the money is of no significance.
Initially, he started providing sandals to friends and family until the business started getting referrals. Now, Dvani Styles have sandals ranging from $5,000 to $12,000.
They're sturdy, they're comfortable, they're functional, and they're stylish, they're timeless, because I try to make designs that won't go out of season no time soon, and then people are already familiar with a certain look with leather sandals. So I try to offer them that particular look that they are already familiar with because people are comfortable with familiarity.
During the holiday seasons, it sees a 50% jump in sales, and its knot style is an all-time favorite. New designs are being developed to offer more variety. As it stands now, the focus is on perfecting women's footwear. However, handmade belts are making a debut. With a Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.